In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your side mirror on your Mazda 3. It's located on your driver's side door. Use a trim tool and pop off your cover here. Let that hang. You're going to use an 8mm socket for these 3 bolts and disconnect this harness. To disconnect the harness, you're going to push down on that tab and pull out. All right, so now you want to hold on to your mirror, make sure it doesn't fall. All right, so now you're on the other side of the door and you're going to give it a good yank and take that off. So now at this point you can transfer your cover onto your new mirror, or you can use the replacement. We're going to transfer ours since it's intact and it'll match the car. If yours is broken, obviously you want to use the new one, and you can paint that if you need to. So you want to slide your trim tool underneath. So now you're just going to place it on your new mirror. Make sure you line it up properly with there's a tab there and there, and there and there. This foam is this foam, it's just this is really flattened. So what you want to do is take off this sticker and just line it up and stick it to the mirror. That'll hold it in place. You want to take off the paper on this piece of foam as well. And stick this to the mirror. So now we can line up our mirror. All right, so there's 2 knobs that have to go through the holes. Once you get it through, you can get to the other side. All right, so you're going to get your bolts in there, started by hand first. And hold it secure. I'm not going to go all the way until I get all 3 in. All right, so now we can tighten these down. All right, once you've snugged those up, you can just see how tight they are. If you're using a battery-operated thing, you just want to go a little bit more, about wrist tight. And then we're going to plug in our harness. And once all that's fastened, you're going to snap this back in. Make sure you put the bottom in first. There you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.